Where do we go from here? That's a question many of us are asking, and for good reason. We're in a season of change, a time when the world is asking a lot from us. At the Women's Real Estate Network, we want to serve women where they're at. So we're having Ignite the Unconference. Why the Unconference? Because it's not going to be like other real estate business conferences. Let's face it, if our head isn't in the game, our business reflects that. We've brought in speakers who help women achieve balance in their lives through embracing their passions, strengthening their relationships, and taking care of their minds and bodies. And we have expert women real estate entrepreneurs who share their knowledge with us. First, let's get in a good headspace, then tools to move forward in your real estate business. And let's laugh. We end day one with a pajama networking party. It's the Unconference, not to follow the norm of virtual conference delivery. Yep, that's more like us. I know things are extremely difficult right now. Emotionally, socially, physically, financially, our world is in uncharted territory. There's an understandable amount of fear, anxiety, and pain. And I also know there's hope and inspiration. And I know in my heart, if we stick together, we can make it through. So join us to move forward at Ignite the Unconference, October 10th and 11th.